Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to play Magic Cauldron on Royal Match. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Royal Match guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here that you can see, which is the home page of the application, where you can see you can start playing or you can see all of your collections. If you scroll left and right, you can see all of your levels and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you get started with playing the Magic Cauldron event. This is how to do it guys. Basically you need to reach a certain level. Once you reach that certain level, you can google what the level needed is for Magic Cauldron, and after you reach that level, the event is going to go ahead and appear right here randomly on your home page. So maybe if you reach that level it won't appear immediately, but if you keep on playing, it's going to go ahead and pop out right here on the home screen. It will pop out as a circle with the Magic Cauldron icon, and you can just click on it guys, and then you will be able to get started playing that event and you can win the prizes within that event, but you need to be a certain level and it will appear randomly. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.